Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will be doing the indefinite tenses. Indefinite tenses are not difficult if we do with the comparison. Today we will be doing with the comparison of present, past and future indefinite tenses. And I hope after these you will not forget the indefinite tenses and it will be easier for you. The first column will be the present indefinite tenses. The second one will be past indefinite tense. And the third and the last one is future indefinite tense. For those who does not know the indefinite tense, I have written in Urdu how to identify the indefinite tenses. But for those who already knows, present indefinite tense is usually written and read for those tenses, for those works which is usually done as a fact, habit, permanent situations and many more things like that. The fact like the earth revolves around the sun, habit like Ali always goes to school, when we write the structure, subject will come first, then first form of verb, then object. We will not add s or es with the singular subject. Sorry, we will add s or es with the singular subject in simple, but when the subject will be plural as well as I and you, s and es will not add with the verb. In negative subject, then does not or do not will come, then first form of verb, then object. Does not will come with the singular and do not will come with the plural. I and you are plural. In interrogative sentences, does or do will come first, then subject, then first form of verb, then object will come at the last. The last one is double interrogative sentences. Double interrogative sentences are those in which WH family words comes at the first, like why, where, when, how. First of all, WH family words will come first, then does or do will come first according to the subject, then subject will come after that, first form of verb, then object will come at the last. Who is usually used as a subject, so that's why we does not write do or does with the subject who. Just who, write who, then first form of verb, then object. In past indefinite tense, subject will come first, then second form of verb, then object. Second form of verb is used only in the simple of past indefinite tense. Other than that, second form of verb is not used in any case. In negative sentences, subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object will be used. Interrogative sentence, did will come first, then subject, then first form of verb, and at the last object will come. In double interrogative sentences, again WH family words will come first, then did will come, then subject, then first form of verb, and at the last object will come. Second form of verb will be used in the simple of past indefinite tense. Other than rest of the sentences like negative, interrogative, double interrogative, first form of verb will use. As I already told you who is a subject, so we did not use did with the who in past indefinite tenses. So who will come first, then second form of verb, then object at the last will come. If anybody wants to know indefinite tenses in Urdu, so I have already uploaded the video of indefinite tenses in Urdu in my another YouTube channel, which is Jahanzeb, without any space. You may go there and try to learn, and I hope you will learn better than this video. In future indefinite tenses, subject will come first, then will shall, then will be used according to the subject, then first form of verb, then object. Shall, if the subject is I and we, the helping verb will be shall. Rest of the subject will be used. In negative sentences, subject will come first, then will or shall according to the subject, then not, then first form of verb, after that object at the last will come. Helping verb can be changed. We normally use I will definitely go to school, where the things are certain. When we are determined to do something, we will change the helping verb, like I will, we will. Other than that, we will use I shall, we shall. In interrogative sentences, we or shall, will or shall, according to the subject will come first, then subject, then first form of verb, then object. Double interrogative sentences, WH family words will come first, then will or shall according to the subject will come first, then subject, then first form of verb, and at the last object will come last. Again, who works as a subject, then will or shall. Will or shall will come with the who, because will or shall comes in the simple of the future indefinite tense. If this video helps you, you may subscribe the channel and share this video.